Hello my little artists, are you ready for some super fun drawing today? Yay, let's draw some cute makeup items together. First, we start our lipstick. Draw a slanted tip for the lipstick. Now add a smaller rectangle and draw a long oval shape at the bottom. Wow, looking stylish already. Now let's draw a mascara. Make a small bottle and draw a long stick coming out. Add tiny lines for the brush. Tickle lashes.
Hickory dickory dock.
Next, we draw a mirror. Draw an oval shape
Hickory dickory dock. Tick.
and cute little handle at the bottom. Mirror, mirror, who is the best artist? You.
Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked up.
Now, let's draw a makeup brush at a fluffy top like a cloud. Draw a long handle, soft and pretty.
Hickory dickory.
Now, outline everything with the black marker to look like a bold and beautiful.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Now, let's add some magic colors. Color the lipstick with bright red.
Keep us round the clock.
Now, add a gray color in the middle. And the last, use dark blue color at the bottom. Wow, so beautiful!
Hickory dickory.
Now color the mascara with cool shade like green.
Oh, little snakes. Hickory dickory.
Color the mirror with blue and pink.
Hickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory.
Color the handle with light pink. So cool and beautiful.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round.
And finally, color the brush with brown and orange. Wow! Drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.